Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today in Tricky's Kitchen, she will show you how to prepare chicken lollipop. This dish is also referred to as drums of heaven. This is such a tasty recipe to prepare. So let's not waste any more time and get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the marination. The ingredients for the stuffing. The ingredients for the coating. And lastly, the ingredients for the sauce. Preparation. Cut off the flapper, also known as the wings tip, and place it in a separate bowl as it's not relevant to this recipe. Now snap the joint and cut exactly in between to separate the wingette and the drumette. Preparing the wingette. Starting with the wider end, remove the thinner of the two bones and then push the meat over to create a lollipop. Preparing the drumette. Starting at the narrow end, separate the meat from the bone on one side and then push the meat across to the other side to create a lollipop. Method. Preparing the chicken lollipops. Add in the salt and the lemon juice to the chicken lollipops and mix and set aside. Now mix the paneer, green coriander, green chilies and salt to the minced chicken. Mix well to create the stuffing. Fill the pockets of the chicken lollipop with the stuffing mixture that we had just prepared in the previous step. Add in the soya sauce, Kashmiri chili powder, oil and ginger garlic paste to the stuffed lollipops. Mix and set aside. Make sure the stuffing does not come out. Add in the beaten egg, rice flour and corn flour. Turn gently to coat the chicken lollipops. Again, ensure that the stuffing does not come out. Now deep fry the chicken lollipops until golden brown and then drain on the kitchen towel and set aside for later use. We're now preparing the sauce. So heat oil in a wok, add in the garlic, ginger, curry leaves and green chilies. Toss them about. Add in the chili sauce, tomato ketchup, soya sauce and vinegar and fry. Add in the water, cornstarch and sugar. Add salt if required to taste and continue to fry. Now you drop in the fried lollipops and toss gently to coat the lollipops in the sauce that we have prepared in the previous step. Garnish with green coriander, again toss gently. Serve with tomato ketchup and tamarind sauce, or my favorite, spicy chili sauce, or any other accompaniment of your choice. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Do have fun in the process and don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.